Hello everyone, this is the TS523. The blade material is Baller K110, processed with vacuum heat treatment and cryogenic treatment at Shanghai Baller Special Steel Plant. The hardness reaches 60 to 62 HRC. The blade surface features a stone-washed finish. The handle is made of TC4 titanium alloy and carbon fiber. This section is also made of titanium alloy with a lightning anodized finish. Now, let's disassemble it to take a look at the handle structure. Let's remove the pivot screw. These are the weight-relieving holes on the handle. This washer is made of titanium alloy. A detent ball track is machined here to make the opening and closing action smoother and more stable. These are the ceramic bearings we always use. The backspacer is also made of titanium alloy. Alright, now let's reassemble it. This slot needs to face the bearing side. Put the pivot screw back in first. As you can see, the action is extremely smooth. Next, let's test its sharpness by cutting paper. Great, it cuts very smoothly. Currently, this knife is available on promotion on our auction website, starting at just 99 cents. If you like it, please visit our website, www.twosun-yanjiang.com. Thank you.